here's how to share Nintendo Switch Online with all the users on your Switch 2. Now, the first thing you want to do is select your main profile, the one that has the Nintendo Switch Online subscription, and then press on the profiles icon right here on the top left. Press on your profile, go all the way down to user settings, and then go all the way down in here until you see Nintendo eShop settings, and then go ahead and press on it. That is going to put you in the Nintendo eShop settings. And in here, you want to head over to settings, and you want to go all the way down on settings until you see past enabled consoles. Now, as you can see, my account says not this system, and I'm actually unable to deregister because I'm not able to share my online membership right now. So let's go ahead and fix that. What you need to do is find the console where you were using your Nintendo account prior to using this console. So for me, it's going to be the Nintendo Switch 1. And then on your Switch 1, or if you had a Switch 2 prior to this one, what you want to go ahead and do is head over to the same menu, the same settings menu, and then go ahead and deregister from that console where you currently have your account set up as the main account. And then once you successfully deregister, it's going to tell you right here, you could just go ahead and press OK. And now just come back to the Switch 2 where you want to share your membership, and then go back into the Nintendo eShop settings, go over to settings, and then go all the way down again on the right side. And then you should see that this console is now the main console, and it says this system right here, which is exactly what we want. And now we're able to share our online membership with other accounts in our console as well. And if this video helped you guys, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.